Hey there, Mr. Thayer from the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship, back with a math lesson. Today we are looking at Module 5, Lesson 24. We're going to express whole numbers as fractions and recognize equivalents with different units. Okay? So I'm going to just jot down what I'm really looking for today on my board here. There's our whole number fractions right there. Okay, we want to start to understand what those look like and what they are telling us. Okay, so I have a couple of examples for us to go through and then just kind of break it down and understand, like I said, understanding where they are in the number line and what they represent. So whole number fractions. All right, here's our first set here, and I have fifths. So we're gonna break this number line into fifths and understand where that whole number fraction comes into play. So here I have a number bond. I have 1 right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each piece of that number bond is 1/5, 1/5, and 1/5. So 1/5. So 5/5 would give us that whole. We're going to look at what it looks like on the number line now, and then I want you to. I'm going to actually show you where that whole number example is. So here we go. I broke down. I have the number line already set for you here. I broke it into fifths. Okay. All right. And I had 4 cuts in there, as you can see, 2 and 2. So 0 here. So we know we have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and right here is 5/5. I'm also going to put 0/5 over here too. Okay? So here is our whole number fraction right here. 5/5. Okay? So that represents 5/5. Okay? So whole number fractions, write that a little bit better. Whole number fractions share the same numerator and the same denominator. Okay? So 5/5 is equivalent to that 1 right there. And there is your whole number fraction. That means 5 out of 5. So if I was counting up 5 items, remember 5 is how many we have, and then all of them would have been shaded in because 5 out of 5, or it would have been a whole. So whole number fractions, there they are on a number line right there. Okay? Start getting into the habit that we get 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. Understand that that's 5/5. We can write the 5 over 5 there, or the equivalency of that 1. But I want you to get in the habit of writing it out. So that was fifths. Pretty easy. Let's do the trick with sixths. Let's take a look at sixths now. Okay? This time I did not do the number line for you because I want to show you a little trick with that. But here we know for 6 we have 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, and 6/6 right there. Okay? So we have 0 and 1 on our number line. We need to divide that up into 6. So to understand that, 6 equals 2 times 3. So that's going to help me with my cuts right now. Because I think this part is very important, understanding the cuts right here. So I know for my 2, I'm going to go right in the middle and cut that in half. So now I have 2 pieces. And then I'm going to cut those 2 pieces into thirds. So I'm going to come over here, cut once, cut twice. Now I have thirds. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Cut once, cut twice, and now I have thirds. Now I'm ready to plot my sixths. Okay? So 0 here is 0/6, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, and then right here is 6/6. And that would represent your whole number fraction because we have the numerator and the denominator are the same, 6/6. Okay? So you saw the two ways that I broke the fifths down and I broke the sixths down. And then here's some outcomes right here. Here are some common outcomes of, or examples of whole number fractions. 1 over 1, 2 over 2, 3 over 3, 10 over 10, 15 over 15. Okay? The numerator and the denominator are exactly the same. It does not matter what number I put there. I could come right here and put 100 over 100. If the numerator and the denominator are the same, there is your whole number fraction. That will equal 1. Okay? Just a tip to, it's one of those things that you just kind of learn. It's kind of one of those rules, and once you know it, you'll see it and you'll be like, oh, I got this. That's easy. Mr. Thayer taught me that, and I'm going to know, I can understand and I can see whole number fractions. Head over to that exit ticket. You know what to do. I'll provide feedback, and I will see you guys really soon. Thanks.